It's easy to look back at a mass shooting and point out the red flags that were missed. The eSecurity dashboard allows security professionals to recognize these warning signs in advance and in context. Log into the eSecurity dashboard to see the emerging threats for immediate assignment and investigation. Get emailed for new online reports, task assignments, and updates to your cases to give you real-time awareness of your security status. The real advantage is in viewing all of your incidents and investigative findings in risk-revealing charts, such as timelines that illustrate the escalation of a subject's behavior and circumstance. Or, just like the old detectives method of pinned findings on a corkboard, the eSecurity dashboard lets you view and manipulate all of your case factors to get the big picture view. Don't let the journalists put the pieces together for another national news story. Get a free trial and try mapping out one of your pressing cases. You might see something you want to catch.